Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. So the Met Gala happened yesterday and there were some really beautiful makeup looks that a lot of makeup artists created yesterday. Of all of those looks, I came across this lovely look created by the one and only Lisa Eldrige on Dua Lipa. I really loved how subtle yet out there it was, and I'm gonna recreate the very same look on me today, on myself. I'm gonna start with the moisturizer, for which I'm gonna use this one. It's the one from Biotique. It's the Morning Nectar. While the moisturizer sets, I'm just gonna go fill my eyebrows, for which I'm gonna use this L'Oreal Genius Brow Kit. With the spoolie, I will just brush all my hair upward. Then taking the powder bit, I will fill my eyebrows in. So for my eyes, I'm going to use the Urban Decay Naked Heat Palette. I'm going to start off with the shade Chaser. So I personally like to start my makeup look with, a lighter shade and then keep developing it and like going layer by layer. That's how I personally choose to do the makeup. But yeah, so I'm just going to go and put this all over the lid to kind of create a nice base to start off with any fluffy brush. I'm now going to use the shade Low Blow. It's this very light brown shade. I'm just going to use it to define my crease. So when I come toward the outer section, instead of kind of making it round, I will kind of flick it outward to give that little more cat eye or longer eye kind of appearance. So the look had like a very soft dark brown black eyeliner, and it had purple glitter down and a little streak of it here. So for which I'm gonna start off with the MAC Smolder pencil. It was a very thin liner, but it really added that shape. So I'll just line the eye. And it was more prominent outward than the inner section. Now obviously this isn't like the most neat liner, but I'm gonna take this thin flat brush and I'm just gonna blend that. And as I'm toward the outer section, I'll just flick it upward toward the eyebrows. I'm gonna take this brown eyeliner, this one's from Faces, and I'm gonna put it in my lower waterline. So before putting a glitter liner, I tend to make a little template or just a little outline. I'm gonna use this purple eyeliner from Fenty Beauty, and I'm gonna line my lower lash line and this upper section where the glitter was. So the glitter that I'm going to use is this one. It's a pink shade. I didn't really get a purple glitter, so I'm gonna use this one. And you could get glitter from, you know, probably any stationery store. That's where I purchased this. And for applying that, I'm gonna use this two-way gel. It's from PAC or PAC, however you like to call it. And yeah, I'm gonna put it on my lower lash line. And with like a thin brush, I'm gonna put it on my lower lash line. What you want to do is simply pack the product on to wherever you've put the two-way gel. Now for the wing, I use this, so I think this is a lip brush, but like I use this really, you know, tapered brush to make sure the wing comes out really, really neat. So everybody loves glitter eyes and all of that, but it can also be a hassle sometimes because there's a lot of fallout. But there's a hack that I use. I take some sellotape and I pat it onto wherever there is fallout and I need to get rid of it. So this helps get rid of the fallout. I'm now gonna just curl my lashes and coat them with mascara, and yeah. For the mascara, I'm going to use the Better Than Sex mascara from Too Faced. This is my favorite mascara. Now I'm going to go with my trusty old Kryolan palette. I'm going to use the shade FS35 and 38. I'm just going to mix it. I'm not really going to, you know, load my face with a lot of foundation. I'm gonna take some of both of the shades and I'm gonna start with the, you know, inner section of my face where I want the brightness. On my nose, the forehead, the chin, around my mouth. And with a beauty blender, I will blend that and I will spread it outward. I'm gonna take this Naked Urban Decay Flushed palette and taking this bronzer shade, I'm just gonna add warmth towards the outer section of my face. So in the picture she doesn't really have a lot of contour, but she has this really nice bronzed face and, like, you know, this lovely flush. So I am just gonna add the bronzer. I'm not really gonna go contour my face. I'm gonna use the Girl Meets Pearl highlighter. I'm just gonna put it on the higher points of my face. And For my lips, I'm gonna use the Anastasia Beverly Hills lip palette. I'm gonna use this shade. I'm just gonna take some of it on my finger and very lightly put it on my lip. I don't want like the very a prominent you know, lip shade, but just a little hint of it. So this is about it. This is the complete look. I loved how, you know, it came out. The eyes, I wasn't very sure honestly about the glitter bit, at least on my under eye, but I loved how it came out, and I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys next time in another video.